right. Game name Elevator Hitch. The game is a work of fiction. There may be contests of graphic death, blood, gore, violence, body horror, disturbing injury, and more. All right. Okay. Camera movement, left, right. Camera moving up and down. FN, up, down? Bro, what? Nigga, what kind of what kind of controls is that? You walk inside the lobby. It's busy. There's a receptionist desk, but they're on the phone. Yeah, F11 doesn't work yet. They never work on these games. They shoo you away before you can ask anything. It's a normal amount of people to be here. It's not a weekend, but it still feels crowded. They all seem to know where they're going. You're a soon-to-be employee here. You have somewhere to be, too. It's easy to get lost here. Your interview's not on the first floor. You know that at least. So you get in the elevator. The elevator doesn't have anyone inside when it opens for you. Press Z to enter. You step inside and click the button for the hold the door! Ooh, look at those shoes. Traffic was awful today, am I right? Taxi barely made it on time. Not like the boss will take that excuse again. I'm kind of trying to open the scene. What? Top floor? I'm actually going to see you too? What a coincidence. Oh God. Don't think I've seen you around before. Who are you? Introduce yourself. 2, I'm the new guy. 3, who are you? Let me introduce myself. My name is Hove. 1. The name's Chase Beckley. Make sure you remember. He didn't even let me say my name. Nothing more annoying than someone who won't take the time to learn your name, right? Yeah! Right. 1, I'm the new guy. 2, who are you? 3, whatever I say doesn't matter to you, does it? 3. Sorry, I didn't catch all that. Whatever who says doesn't matter to me? Never mind. This nigga don't listen, bro. Okay. What's happening here? Oh, okay. 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 That doesn't usually happen, right? Why are you asking me? You think I know every office-related problem? You are currently on a call help button. Try calling for help? Yes. Yes. Hello? Is anyone there? Hello, this is Manuel speaking, the building maintenance and safety head. What can I help you with? Oh, thank God. Yes, we're stuck in one of the elevators. Can you help us get the doors open? Are you still... What can I help you with? We're stuck in an... Yes, I can send help with that. Our safety team is on its way. Make sure not to stand too close to the walls. If someone is injured, do not look at them. And finally, don't press X and we'll be there to assist you within the next 30 seconds. Thank you so much. Did he hang? Thank you for calling the building maintenance and safety head. Goodbye. I love you. What? What did he say at the end there? The call clicks off. X. Actually, this is taking forever. I don't think they're coming. I pressed it. What's happening? Are the buttons still... 1. This button doesn't seem to work. A keyhole with the word lobby written above it. Alright, where's FN on this freaking thing? Where is it? FN? What the heck? Screen control. Wait, no. There's an FN button. Why can't I find it? Have I lost it? It's supposed to be right here. It's usually right here. Does this keyboard not have FN? What if I do Shift? It's next to Alt. That's what I'm saying. But it's not there. We should be around that. Or it's either top right or somewhere. I don't think I have FN. What if I just click Alt? Control? No? Shift? Oh, there, this is it. Is that FN? No? What the heck? Should I swear I don't have it, dude? Number 2. Uh-oh. This isn't the floor I need to get to. But there may be something we can use to safely get out of here on this floor. You should check this floor for anything useful. Why wouldn't you just go on the floor and take the stairs? Good idea. I was about to say the exact thing. So, you want to step out and check it out? Wait, you want me to go? I'm more of an ideas man. Sorry, pal. But it was my idea. Maybe you can head out while I stand guard in here. Make sure nothing bad happens while you're doing the easy work. But what if it's dangerous? I'm sure you'll think of something. You're the ideas man after all. I'll head out to see if it's safe. We'll be fine. See, that's the spirit. Make sure not to be too long. I might just die of boredom in here on my own. Will do. Exit to the floor? Yeah, sure. Oh, something about this room feels awful. Like chewing on wads of cotton. Tell me about it. Who would pair heart of palm wallpaper with beach dune carpeting? I'd argue there's more upsetting parts, but he's not wrong about the color choices either. A sticky note stuck to the wall. Give it something alive. What? Nigga, what? It seems stuck to the floor. A hole in the wall. Put something in it? Uh-oh. Weird, I don't see it. I think I just died. Wait. Wait. Maybe I should throw the shoe in there. No, it's... Yish, the newbies just get sadder every year. What do you need to hold my hand or something? No, it's just... Sorry, I must be seeing things too. Why don't you believe me? Wait, what? Where are we right now? Exactly, that's the spirit. He's being way too optimistic about that. Whoa. No smoking sign? Make any progress? Your coworker's taking out a cigarette. I don't think you're allowed to be smoking that in here. Says who? Nobody important. Never mind. Why didn't you say you had a lighter? Can I have a light? Sure. Can I have a light? Sorry, pal. I only got one tab and I'm not sharing it. Come on, I need it. I'm not splitting my cigarette with you. No matter how nicely you ask, newbie. No, not your cigarette. Your... Ugh, 'oh, this is going nowhere. Steel lighter? Yes. 'Cause I don't have a lighter. Can I have a light? Sorry, pal. I only got one tab and I'm not sharing it. Come on, I need it. I'm not splitting my cigarette with you. No matter how nicely you ask, newbie. No, not your cigarette. Your... Ugh, this is going nowhere. Steel lighter? Yes. Oh, hey, the hell did you think you're doing? I already told you, this thing isn't cheap. I'm trying to do something useful so we can get out. If you actually cared to help, you would have just handed me that from the start. Do you think sharing everything I own got me to the position of being able to afford this? Lay off and find something else. I'll use what I have, however. Some technical difficulties here. Some technical difficulties. Hold on. Relax. You 0 for 2? Relax. I got it this run. I think I just died. Oh, did you? I must have been looking away. Do you not remember? Do you not? Oh, wait, what? You know that you died? Oh no, that couldn't have been it. My memory's great. Maybe you suffered some brain damage. Never mind, forget I said anything. Wait a minute. Alright, let's go to floor 3 this time. The elevator feels weirdly humid. Whoa. My glasses start fogging up when looking too close. Why can't I see anything? You can feel a warm breeze on your face. It's coming from the front. Step in. Step in? No. Hell no. Alright, it's coming from the front. No, don't step in. Go back. It's trying to force me to step in. Wait, no. There we go. Alright, floor 4. Floor 4. I'm gonna crack you for leaving. Nigga, I'll put my nuts in your mouth. Shut your mouth. Alright, you understand me? Don't speak unless you're spoken to. You understand me? Huh? It's not opening. I'm not too worried about it. For all we know, the answer's probably right behind our noses. You mean under? That's what I said. What do you mean? Are you trying to tell me something? Look down? You trying to tell me to look down? But I can't even look around right now. Alright, let's go 5. What the huh? My mouth tastes funny. Spent nuclear fuel chamber? Alright. Why is there a timer? Your nose starts bleeding. Get out! The back of your throat tastes like tinfoil. Get out! 6! What if the elevator is purgatory and this guy is the devil trying to get you into hell? See? That's reasonable. Oh look, I think we found our way. Are all the cubicles this small? I wouldn't know. I had an impressive enough first interview to get an office to myself. Would you happen to be related to any of the CEOs? How would you know? Lucky guess. Let's go in there. An office phone. Dial the number? Yes. 3. Click. It immediately hung up. Alright. Seems like you dialed the wrong number. Clearly. That prop computer doesn't seem to work. In fact, it seems to be made of cardboard. And all, okay, yeah, we clicked it. Yeah, no. I got nobody to dial right now, bro. A messy cigarette tray covered in ash with burnt cigarettes scattered around it. Pick up a burnt cigarette? Sure. What could go wrong? You got a burnt cigarette. Okay. Go through someone else's drawers is pretty rude. Open drawers? Yeah, fuck them. What is the strongest attribute of a great employee? Ambition? Morality? Functional left kidney? Reliability? What is the second stage of grief? Anger? Bargaining? Confusion? Depression? How long do spent nuclear fuel rods remain radioactive? 100 years? 1,000 years? 10,000 years? 100,000 years? 4. We don't know the question, but it's 14 to 1, 2 to 3, 2 to 1, 46 to 10, 10 to 28. Fill out the questionnaire. Sure. Sure. I like that this is interactive. Gives more depth to the choices and gameplay. Great observations. Jason, you gotta stop talking to yourself, bro. You look crazy. You gotta stop talking to yourself, dude. Let's fill it out. Question 1. What is the strongest attribute of a great employee? Choose from the following answers. Ambition, morality, functional left kidney, or reliability? What do we got, chat? What do we got? 1, ambition. 2, morality. 3, functional left kidney, or 4, reliability? Reliability? Something tells me it's the left kidney. 1 or 3? I'm gonna go reliability just because it seems like a good answer. We need someone reliable. You choose the answer D. Question 2. What is the second stage of grief? It's gotta be anger, right? Phone call? Yeah, we hear the phone call, but we can't pick it up. Anger? How long do spent nuclear fuel remain radioactive? I don't know. Anyone got this? 4? $100,000? Let's go 4. Question 4. Choose from the following answers. We don't even know what the question is. Two to 1? Let's go 2 to 1. Oh, is it measurements? Is it like a 2 by 3? But it's a ratio. Nah, that doesn't make sense for it to be measurements. 14 by 1? It might. I'm gonna go 14 by 1. I'm gonna do it. You put the finished form back in the drawers. Alright. You hear something rattling inside. When you open it again to check, you notice the paper tore itself in half. Damn, I didn't get the job! Rejected? This is blasphemy. I know every office-related problem. Yeah, I get the gimmick. No, seriously, I think I'm dying. Really? How long have you been working here? People don't usually start saying that until at least a few months in. What the fuck is happening here, dude? Alright, so I'm just gonna go to 7. Oh, what about look like this? Ugh! It smells like roadkill in here. Something's definitely rotting. What the fuck? Your coworker casually rests a hand against the wall while waiting for you. So this is just normal for you, Mr. Coworker, sir? Oh, it's disgusting in here. Could we hurry it up? His hand is now covered with blood. Seems there's blood coating everything in here. I'm gonna go back to keep being the lookout. You've been a real help. Good luck, buddy. He's wiping his hand on my suit. An animal carcass that looks identical to the body next to it. There are cutting lines drawn around it. Anything else? Sharp-looking hooks are dangled down from the ceiling. We're just gonna go back. Let's go to floor 8. Is that? Oh, why do I look like that? Us? What the? Who are you? This is my colleague and I'm the newest employee here. It's nice meeting some friendly faces. And who would you two be? Avoid the question. Why do you want to know? Why wouldn't I? It's not every day you meet someone like you. What brings you two here? Are you lost? Yes. Well, that makes 2 of us, huh? Say, I just got an idea. Maybe we could stick with you guys and work together. Twice the odds looking for outs. And let's be real, between the 2 of us, it's not like these 2 morons here are any help, right? Hey! So what do you say? Should we let him help us? I think let's go for it. Wait, no. What if they're skinwalkers? There's like a high chance they're skinwalkers here. Or shapeshifters. Shapeshifters, doppelgangers, you know. Mimics. Gotta say no. Well, at least we tried, right? Huh? I said no! I said no! It won't budge. It's stuck. I can see that. It's honestly kind of hard to watch. It's not like you're offering any help. Well, what do you want me to do about it? Force open the door. Empty pocket. Stop talking. Can you stop talking? Why would anyone want me to do that? Forget it. Alright, you said go back to 6? Would it be shallow to look for a cheat sheet of some kind? No, it wouldn't. The thing is, I can't rotate in here, dude. Can't do anything. Where's the cheat sheet? There's gotta be a way to look up, though. That's really the issue I'm missing here. Nah. Next to phone? Yeah, I can't click that. Cannot click it. Let's go to 7 again. What if I step in here? Look around a bit? It's like I can't look around in any room? Like, what the fuck? Fuck. All right. Go to 8. Are you okay? Why wouldn't I be? I just wanted to check. Do you remember anything strange at all? No, not that I can recall. Why do you ask? It's just... Never mind. Make sure to stay safe is all. Aw. Yeah. The trick to negotiations is to crack the weaker one first. When they get desperate enough, then you throw them a bone by acting like you understand them. And you'll hook them for sure. You sure you don't remember anything? Remember what? Never mind. Alright. Let's talk to you first. You're the weaker one. Can I speak with just him? Yes, go right ahead. How did you get here? Huh? We came inside, but when the doors closed behind us, we noticed there weren't any buttons on this side. So you got stuck? I think what he's trying to say is that we've been having some technical difficulties. But we're sure we can just hitch a ride with you two, right? Let me ask you more questions. Where is this? When did you get here? Well, who can say really? It's been months! The doors haven't budged, the walls go on forever, there's no way out besides the door! They haven't opened since we got here! What? Shut it. You have to let us take your place, please! We have to get out of here! We gotta push them further. Fuck these niggas. F these guys. How long have you been stuck here? How long? His wristwatch's batteries ran out months ago. We don't know. Is that all you have with you? Just that and some scissors that were left in here. We've got nothing. Nobody's come let us out. If you hand over the scissors and promise not to attack us, you can take our place. Thank you. Thank you so much. You received scissors. Sorry. What? Damn. No, I'll kill you! They're trying their best to force open the door from the other side of the elevator. Wow. Huh? Nothing, I just didn't know you had that in you. That was cold-blooded. They were gonna replace us otherwise, you wouldn't get it. No, I think I do. What? I mean, you didn't just brute force it or play dumb. You really pushed him to his limit, got him to open up before taking what you needed. You'd make a great employee here is all I'm saying. Hey, why are you looking at me like, maybe he's the CEO? Oh, I get it. What, you think I'm a part of this somehow too? Don't you trust me? No. I shouldn't have said no. See? You got nothing to worry about. You're with the same me as always. He's not real. I mean, what kind of employee would I be if I could... He's not real. He was never real. He was never here to help. it all! Hold on. Back to floor 8. Get the scissors. Cut open the freaking pigs. Make sure to keep that scissors to yourself. That stuff can be real dangerous. Oh, I still have the scissors. Okay. Shouldn't open it. Okay, okay. Okay. Cut him. An animal. There are cutting lines drawn around it. Cut open the carcass? Yes. Yes. What's in there? You found a screwdriver placed inside the carcass amongst the organs. Take the screwdriver? Yes. You push your hand through the insides of the carcass. It makes a disgusting squelching sound as its warm blood soaks the end of your suit. You took the screwdriver. Something tells you one is enough. Alright. Alright. Now with the screwdriver, chat, where are we going? Where are we going? We going 9? This button doesn't seem to work. Oh, we're not going 9. Where are we at right now? Let's go 6. Damn it. Would it be shallow for me to look for a cheat sheet of some kind? No, it wouldn't be, but what's the cheat sheet? Let's go 5. I think we got to come back with the cheat sheet here. Okay, we don't want here at all. We definitely don't want 5. Huh? It's not opening. I'm not too worried about it. For all we know, the answer's probably right behind our noses. I mean, under? That's what I said. Alright, can I look around here? It's offline. Okay, now I can. Oh, there it is. You really meant. Whoa, something up? You got all stiff and weird looking. Nothing, it's just... Was that door always there? Not that I can remember, no. Right, must be getting deja vu, sorry. What's so familiar about it? Reminds me of my old place. The floors would creak loudly. I could barely get any sleep, or I hid everything I owned. I don't know. Huh? Probably your head playing tricks on you. Try not to get too distracted by any of that. Right, thanks. Let's get in there. Shit, the floors creak wherever I go. I need to make this quick. Where we going, chat? To the drawer? Some bedside drawers. Open them? Yes. You open the drawers. Nothing. You can hear a voice coming from downstairs. Sweetie, is that you? Are you awake? A box hidden under the bed. Open it? Yes. You open the box. Nothing but an useless drawing. That might not be so useless considering the fact the guy has blue hair. Just like us. You need to finish floor 3 before unlocking 9. What are you doing up there? You're supposed to be asleep. Oh shit. A window shut in tight. Try to open it? Yes. Try to open the window but it doesn't budge. You better be sleeping when I get there. Get to the bed. A neatly made bed. Look under the sheets? Yes? You looked under the sheets. You found a sleeping pill. Should we lay down? Door? Don't let them hear you. Bright light keeps the monsters away. Alright, should we just get up out of here? Wait a minute. Avoid objects. Number 3 is make noise more than 3 times. Yeah, everything I've got is on this wall. It's interesting. All right, let's go here. Let's go 3. You can feel a warm breeze. Oh yeah, it's this floor. Step in. Should we step in, guys? Probably not a good idea. Trash idea to step in? Or do we go? Because you said I have to beat number 3 to get to number 1. Step in. You step. I swear I didn't actually get the lighter from him last time. That's right. Never mind. Okay, ask him to empty his pockets. Can you empty your pockets? We might be able to find something useful between the two of us. Oh darn, oh sorry man, real sorry. I left everything I owned in my office, sorry. I don't have anything on me. Oh man, real sorry. Do you maybe want to at least check your pockets first? How about you? Anything of use? Okay, I have a burnt cigarette. I do actually. Then why are you asking? Don't be greedy now. Never mind. Though the tip is burnt, it could be seen as new in quick glance. Okay. You need to finish puzzle 1 in order to unlock number 9. Okay. This button doesn't seem to work. Oh, that's not happening. A sticky note stuck to the. Oh, this could give it something alive. Yeah, we're not gonna go in there. We're not gonna fucking go in there. Fuck that guy. Fuck that guy. 3 is. No lighter here. Alright, don't open this. No smoking sign. Oh, there it is. There it is. Why didn't you say you had a lighter? Why? Yeah, there you are. You never asked for one. Well, then, can I have that one? Are you kidding? This is a Soonhill signature brass plating lighter. I'm not gonna let anyone play with it. Seems a bit much just for a cigar lighter. What else would you use it for? Oh, come on, let me get the lighter. Oh, can I have a light? Can I have a light? Here, turns out I had one too. Now, can I have a light? Sure thing. Just be careful with it. Yes! There we are. There we are, baby. There we are, baby. All right. Now we're going in this motherfricker. Pull the lighter up. I didn't even get a chance to see what was inside or what killed me for that matter. You can feel a warm breeze on your... All right, okay, yeah. Light up? Yes. Yes. All right. Just a big mouth. Very lovely teeth on you. Very clean. Uvula looking nice. Wowzers. Beautiful. Beautiful right there. You notice something shiny stuck in between the teeth. Pull it out. Do we pull it out? Do we pull it out? Cup of coffee. Do we pull it out? Because I don't know what pulling out is. Madoki trying to get me killed. He said pull it out. It's first for everything, huh? Let's go. You took the step. Come on! Come on! Bro said, right? He said trust. Trust. Fuck you, nigga. Oh, man. How about you? Anything of use? Check what I got here. Ooh, maybe if I give the sleeping pill to him. Maybe if I give the sleeping pill to him, he'll like, you know, and then I can pull it out then. That's a half decent idea. Let's see. Sleeping pill? Oh. I do actually. Then why are you asking for mine? Don't be greedy now. Never mind. It gets hard to sleep at night. Maybe not. Maybe not. Where would I get food? Feed it without, like, cake? Where would I get food? For maybe the room? Okay, how do I turn around again? Alright, okay, there we go. Make noise 3 times? Okay, shit, the floor's quick whenever I go. I need to make this quick. Alright, how do I make noise? Bright light. Don't let them hear you? How do I make noise? Just don't open anything? This has gotta be my room as a kid, right? I gotta be hallucinating something here. For sure. So just sit here and they should come? If I just sit here? Should I just come in and out? Pause. They're not coming. Gotta be something I'm missing on this screen. Oh wait, maybe the monster is our parents coming to scream at us. Could that be it? But when are they? Are they actually gonna come in here? Well, maybe if I try to open the window again. FN. You gotta be somewhere here. Is that it? Wait, what's that eye right there? The question now is, who am I feeding the sleeping pill to, though, chat? All right, 3 is the mouth, right? 4 is what? 4 is where we are. 5 is the office, I think. Nuclear. Okay, I got 15 seconds of warning. Okay. Click around quickly. You got 15 seconds. Your nose starts to bleed. Okay, all right. The back of your throat tastes like tinfoil. Okay. You feel like you're melt just by looking at the pool. No, don't die. I'm not feeling good. I think... No! Get back in the elevator! Enter the pool? What do you mean, enter the pool? Stay there until the time runs out? Just sit here until the time runs out? You're crazy. You're gonna get me killed. Let's see what happens. Get in the pool. Get in the pool. Get in. I clicked the pool. Nothing happened, dude. The pool did not work. False. 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 Let's try that one more time. It's coated with dry blood. Cool. Can you move forward or something? Let's see. Let's see. Where's 5? Is that 5? Was that 4 or 5? Look around here. Maybe if I can look up. Look. Let me look up here. Please, let me look up. Allow it. Allow it. Dial 921923. Nigga, no, I can't even type! Fucking shot right now, dude. Alright, here we try this. What? Okay, we're here. I'll have to do it like that. That is so jank. Click. You deserve a treat. I'll deliver it to you next time. I'll call, make sure to come pick it up. Okay, I got something there. Made of cardboard. Now go to questions. You see a question mark somewhere? might install the game so I can be it quicker. I mean, if you have a fucking FN key, then you probably fucking can. Cheater. What do you mean cheater? Doesn't even let me open it. I'm about to crash out in a second. That's what they want to see from me, huh? That's what you want to see from me? Alright, nigga. I'm already 6, bro. Alright, we got everything we need from here, right? We got shit in here. Let's go 8. Make sure to keep that scissors to yourself. That stuff can be... Yeah. Shouldn't open it. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. This is the mouth here. Right in his mouth. You notice something shiny. Pull it out. Nope. Let's just go back. There's something with 8 I want to check out. It's not. If you don't put that pill in the mouth, I don't think I can, dude. I don't think I can. Let's try it though. See what's happening. Let's light up and see what goes down. Can I go inventory now? Yeah, I can't go inventory from here. Fuck. What's 4-2? What's this fucker got to do with anything? A hole in the wall. Put something in it? What would I put in it? The sleeping pill? I think you need to put a rat. I got no fucking rats, dude. Let's go find a rat. Oh, no. We don't want this. Would the rat be in our bedroom? It's got to be in our bedroom, right, chat? I feel like there's something on this floor we need to have. But I can't get to it. Get out. You can feel like you're melting. Okay, alright. Get out. Nice work. Did he call again? He called. I'm picking up. Picking up. What's that sound? Bro, the fact that I can't look up is actually kind of blowing me, dude. Bro, what? Alright, so what if I do this? Will it let me look around? No, it doesn't let me even look around like that. What is this? Fuck this game. I have no fucking FN. Fuck that game. Honestly. To hell with it. To hell with it. To hell with everything next to it. Honestly, blow me. Blow me kindly. Alright? Like,